there are so many individuals are, interested to start their staffing companies nowadays. So many calls I get, and so many people write email that they want to start their staffing company. So what would be your suggestion for them? So they
Look,
should, or they stay for time, or whatever. I just don't want to fit the answer,
yeah.
but I wanted to hear from you, and please.
Okay. Suman, we all know that, the barrier to entry into the staffing industry is very, very low, right? Anybody
Mm-hmm.
can get into the staffing industry and do it, right?
Exactly.
So, my advice is, you build your network, you build your
Mm.
client base, you build something that you're not just getting in for the sake because you have seen somebody else into it
Making
and
money.
do. Yeah, like
Yeah.
you like every time it's a greener on the other side, right?
True.
So
True.
they think they talk about they make all the money, but do you know the margins are so low unless you build a volume. It's hard to make a real business out of that. Otherwise, it becomes like a lifestyle business, right?
I agree.
So when you do it, do it. No, nothing stops you. Kudos, you
Mm.
do it, but do it when you're really ready to do it. Right? You have to build the groundwork, and you're ready, and you're actually making some difference in the market. Like you're like just
True.
anybody like anybody else. Then I don't know. So
Mm.
I would say good that you are. Starting to get into it, but before you do it, you do all the homework, build a network, build all the things, that all the ingredients to be successful. So you come with the mindset to succeed in the industry, not the mindset that okay, your neighbor has done it, or a friend has done it, or somebody else has done
Mm.
it, and they say something that they make tons of money, but you don't know what they make it, right? So
Correct.
you would, irrespective of that, you make sure you are fully prepared to launch and to ready
Mm.
to succeed. If it's not, then what you're going to do is you may have a very successful career, you may have something that you are already doing it, then
Mm.
going and coming into it without any plan, or the vision to build into it. I think that's
Absolutely. So patience also another thing, isn't it? So patience also
yeah.
required for these
Yeah,
people.
patience. No, just patience not enough. Patience with
Mm.
the persistence and with the vision and the hard work, all of
Mm.
that combination would help.
Wow, it's like building a castle from the scratch.
Yeah,
Everything it requires.
everything is right.
Very
You
good.
need, cement, you need sand, you need labor, you need
Everything.
architecture. Everybody, you need all these ingredients to build a castle. So, dreaming a castle is one thing, but building a castle is a whole
Mm.
different level. So,
Yeah.
dreaming to get into start a staffing business is one thing, but if you don't have all
Mm.
these ingredients and you're really sure of those things, then maybe it's time just to wait and see, and be ready, prepared for it before you go get into it. Otherwise, otherwise just to find a success in where you're already being very successful.